Okay, here's what you're going to need. So you're going to need about 13 to 14 medium potatoes, washed and sliced, which I'm going to be showing you how to do in this video, plus 1 all-purpose seasoning cube. For the cream sauce, you're going to need 2 pots of Elmlea Double cream. You can also use other brands of double cream. They do the same job. Spices and seasoning, 2 Maggi cubes, a pinch of salt, black pepper, paprika, and a pinch of cinnamon as a warm alternative to nutmeg, which is the heart of this meal. And of course, you're going to need grated cheese to top the dish off. Wash your 13 to 14 potatoes thoroughly, slice them evenly, then move them into a large cooking pot. Fill the pot with water and drop in your all-purpose seasoning cube to infuse the potatoes with flavor right from the start. Bring to a boil and let them cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until slightly softened. After about 10 minutes, I lifted the lid to check if the potatoes had softened, and once I knew that they were ready to be transferred into the dish, I started delicately taking them out. Next, drain the potatoes and transfer them into your glass baking dish. Right before putting it in, I luckily noticed that I needed to add butter into the baking dish to make sure that the potatoes do not stick to it whilst they are baking, and it just has a nice smooth surface. Once all the butter's on the dish, you are now welcome to start delicately adding each sliced potato one by one, and then you can move on to the fun part. Pour both pots of Elmlea Double cream evenly over the top until the potatoes are well covered. Crush your 2 Maggi cubes and scatter them all over the cream alongside a pinch of salt, black pepper, a dust of paprika, and your pinch of cinnamon for that perfect hint of warmth. I will also note that you can also use a pinch of nutmeg instead if you don't have cinnamon, because they both still have that perfect hint of warmth that will make the dish really nice and flavorful. Give it a gentle stir or press down so the seasonings blend into the Elmlea cream. I would definitely recommend serving this dish with some vegetables. I chose broccoli, but you can choose many different ones like carrots, asparagus, corn on the cob, or even spinach would go really great. Preheat your oven and pop the glass dish inside. Let it cook uncovered for 20 minutes so the cream begins to bubble and heat through. After 20 minutes, take the dish out of the oven, scatter a generous layer of your favorite cheese all over the top, cover the dish securely with tin foil to trap the moisture, lower the oven heat and put it back in for another 20 minutes until the cheese is beautifully melted and the potatoes are completely tender. And voila, there you have it, your gratin should be ready to serve. The dish can of course be complemented with steamed vegetables and your preferred poultry or fish such as sliced ham, chicken breasts or tender salmon. Enjoy! For the full recipe and steps, a link is in the description below for my article in the up-and-coming magazine, giving you all the details into how to perfect this dish to your heart's content. To try and make it yourself, of course, the instructions and ingredients will be in the description box down below. And if you have any other recipe ideas that you'd like to see me try and make, recommend them because I'm always open to trying new things. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if you liked it, subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Bye, have a good day.